Hello. Today I'm playing Pet Simulator on Roblox. Yeah. So they just updated the game. Yesterday, and there's this big chest that they added with 55 billion health. It starts off with that much. And yeah, I'm gonna be destroying it in this video, and I'm gonna show you how many moon coins I get for it. So I'm just gonna show you what they added in the new update. They added featured pet stats boosted by 10 times. The new ones added new Dominus pet textures, new core pet particles, pet particle optimizations, change cyborg dragon to cyborg demon, pet particle size velocity changes, restructured separation from the framework, and came code. Yeah. Fix having correct amount of coins still falling when purchasing shop items. Fixed inability to pick up coins. Yeah, all of this stuff. I think they list more here. Yeah, tier 17 egg, new area, which I'm in right now. This, new Dominus area. So yeah, they added 9 new pets and egg viewer. Hold on, for those of you that might not know what the egg viewer is, it's like when you go over here. Hold on, sorry if it's laggy. When you go over here and buy an egg, it shows the pets that are in the egg. I'll just buy one to show you how bad my luck is, but yeah, I get the worst pet in there. Dominus pumpkin. Wow. The best one I've gotten out of this is this one, the Dominus Domni. That's the best I've gotten. I haven't gotten Dominus Rainbow, Dominus Electric, or the huge Dominus. So, the huge Dominus, this big white one right there, has 5 million, I believe. And then look, 5.2 million on each side. So, I'll be back once we're close to destroying the chest. Okay, guys, back. The chest is currently at about 37.3 billion. And, just gonna open some eggs while I wait. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Dang it. Also, if you're wondering how I have that many moon coins, because earlier, me and my friends took down this new Dominus chest a lot. I think I've defeated it like 3 times. Yeah, I gotta delete some pets. These are all my bad pets. There we go. Dang it. If I get, like, even if I get even that rainbow one, I'll be happy, because that would be the best one I've gotten out of this. The best I've gotten so far is this, the Dominus Domini. My luck is terrible. The electric Dominus and the huge Dominus. If you're wondering what the white one is, it's huge Dominus. They're OP. Like, just game breaking. Okay, my last one, and I gotta delete more pets. Well. I'm gonna open 3 more, and then I'm gonna check on the chest. Ooh. That one is rare. Right there. Okay, my last one. And then I'm gonna check on the chest. Of course. Okay. 32 billion. Right there. Sorry guys, I'm back. The chest is... Wait, so I'm taking down like 1 billion every minute then? About? Okay, I'm gonna go back and open more eggs. Dang it, I have the worst luck ever. Oh my god. There we go. Better than a stupid Dominus pumpkin. My last one. And I have to delete more. Oh my. Dang. I'm gonna equip. Actually, no, I'll equip it later. I'm gonna delete. 1, 2. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. Confirm. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna open 3 more, and I'm gonna... Okay, that's 1. Yeah, I'm gonna open 2 more, and then I'm gonna go check on the chest again. Oh, dang! Okay, now I just want to keep opening more. Oh, dang it. Okay, I promise, just 2 more. I really want to get something good. Come on. Dang! Okay, that's good. Let me go back here. 27.5, okay. I'm gonna get back to you guys when it's at, about 3 billion. So, yeah. Okay. So, the chest is at 2.8 billion now. I'm going to show you how much you get from defeating this. Just gonna dance while I wait. Okay, 2 billion left. Oof, I just messed that up super bad. There it is. Okay. 1 billion left. Okay. $500 million. 400 million. 300 million. 200 million. 100 million. Look right here. Let's see how many moon coins I get. Yeah. Oh! I got 34 billion moon coins. Wow. Thank you for watching. Bye.